Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's jacobcrypobury here. I hope you're doing fantastic. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe for your altcoin daily updates, as well as NFT talk, on-chain data, and much more. So what's happening at the moment for, well, the whole of the crypto market is we've finally found a little bounce at that 40.2k dollar zone for Bitcoin. We've got a nice little 3% bounce on the daily time frame. So hopefully we can hold this particular position. We've got a very fearful market, but when you zoom out a year ago, it doesn't look that bad. So we're going to make this a quick video on Zilliqa because it's hard to resist, to be honest, following the Metapolis news, the Web3, and everything else they've got going on. So we can see Zilliqa's Twitter right here. Zilliqa's vision for 2022 and beyond is a must watch. Literally today, guys, they have the live stream or the event happening today. So if you want to watch that, make sure you go over to their Twitter, RSVP so you don't miss out on that particular news, because Zilliqa have got some huge things coming up. We're ranked 67 with a $1.732 billion market capitalization. And we can see we've got this large falling wedge position right here where we found a bit of support around that Fibonacci that we probably were looking for. So if we get our Fib retracement tool, hopefully it's around the 6.18. It's around that 6.18. That's usually where we find that kind of corrective support. That's the most likely area, the golden Fibonacci ratio. And you know, we look at what's happening at the moment, 2022. We've seen some massive gains for Q1 leading into Q2. We're down 30%, so we've just seen a bit of capitulation from the euphoria, and this is that falling wedge that we were just talking about. We got a bounce, but we're getting rejected at these points of resistance. So the next resistance level here is clearly going to be around this particular 0.127 level. We finally flipped this 0.119 back into a healthy support, so hopefully we can continue to hold this particular level and we don't actually break back down below 0.119. I think what's important to consider is if we look at the RSI on the hourly time frame, we are a little bit overbought, sitting at 75, but it doesn't look alarming. We have got those bullish crossovers on the MACD, so it's looking really good at the moment for Zilliqa. If we can break through this 0.127, we'll be making our way most likely up to this 0.135, because this is almost like a double bottom reversal pattern. Do you see that right here? We've got the neckline, we've got the top, we've got the bottoms here, the left low, the right low, and we've got everything we need in order to potentially make an upswing over to this next support level at 0.127, or resistance, shall I say. So if that happens, all things will be looking good for Zilliqa. If we zoom back out into the daily time frame, because we've got this lovely swing high now, we can kind of get a calculation as to where we might actually end up like pumping to, and we just use the Fibonacci retracement. But on the extension side of things, we take the swing low. So if we do break through the 0.23, the all-time high area when we do bust through 0.25, we'll be looking at around $0.3 for Zilliqa. So quite a long way as yet. We've had a big correction for Zilliqa, looking over 50%, I believe, 55% correction right there. So ideally, good time. It looks like an accumulation phase. I am just adding small drops to my portfolio at the moment of Zilliqa. I do think it looks very bullish at the moment in order to potentially buy some with that big green daily candle. So this is Zilliqa. If you liked the video, thumbs up, comment down below what other projects you'd like to see. If you're new into the channel, make sure you hop into the Discord down below. You can also buy Zilliqa using my link down below as well. Before I go, I just wanted to say massive thank you to the patrons. There's about 5 of you at the moment. Price for coffee if you want to enjoy these exclusive benefits, such as receiving one of my free ebooks. You're going to get one-on-one lessons if you want them, one-on-one messaging, you'll get trading signals and support, and you'll also get more entries on my giveaways with a higher chance to win. If this sounds like a bit of you, please find my Patreon link down in the description below. I hope this video treated you well. Bit of entertainment, bit of education on the side. See you soon, guys.